In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. This function extracts data from a cell in a specified column using a specified search key. So for example, for this data that we have right here, we're going to try and extract this information from this customer ID. So let's start a formula, and it's right here. We have the VLOOKUP. The search key will be what you're going to use to extract your data. You have your range, your index, which will be the column number where you're going to be extracting the data, and the last part will be either true or false. True if it's somewhere close to the data that you want to be extracted, or false if it's the exact data that you want to be extracted. Let's get started with the customer name from this customer ID. So we'll start a formula with an equal sign. Type in VLO, and you have here your drop-down menu. Just select VLOOKUP, and there's your formula. So let's put in our search key, which is right here, our customer ID, comma, our range over here, comma, our index, again, the column number where you're going to be extracting your data, that's going to be customer name, and that's column B, index 2, comma. Again, we are extracting the exact data, so that's false. And enter. And there you have the customer name matching this customer ID. We're going to do it with the rest of our data right here. So we can just copy the same formula. We're just going to change the index number because this time we're looking for the product purchase, which is in index number 3. And enter. There you have it. The quantity be the same. Paste in the formula. Change the index into index 4 and enter. For the price, again, the same thing. Index would be 5. Enter. And the last one, index would be number 6, then enter. And there you have it. So if you do change the customer ID, everything would change according to what's written in this box. So 10091 would be Derek Mitchell. Camera lens 50, 319.99, and a total of 15,999.50. If you change that again, it will correspond to the number ID. That's one way to use this. Let's try the other example. So in this example, we have a test score and a grade, and we have our key table here, which will correspond to what grade they will get if they get this type of score. So we have different types of scores here, and for our formula, instead of a false at the end, it will be true because again, this is not the exact data that you're going to be extracting. Let's get started again with the equal sign. VLOOKUP, your search key, which is this one, comma, your key table or your range, comma, the number of column where you're going to be extracting your data, which is column number 2 for this table, and true. Press enter, and there you have it. If you drag it down, so you have a formula suggestion here that would put your key table or your key range in place while extracting your data. So if that's correct, then just accept the suggestion. And there you have it. So 72 would be a C, because again, it's over 70 but under 80, so it stays with C. We have a B grade for 86, because it's over 80 but under 90, and so on. And there you have it. Those are the 2 ways on how you can use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.